Hi, this is Tim Greer with the Rinnai Technical Training Team, and we are in our dojo training room in our Peachtree City, Georgia headquarters. And in today's Tech Tips session, we're going to be discussing how to remove and inspect the combustion fan, the Venturi assembly, and the gas valve assembly on Rinnai's Sensei condensing models. Now, as always, be sure to reference any technical documents related to these products. And if you're not qualified to work on this type of equipment, please get someone who is. So issues that could cause us to want to inspect these components could include a code 10, which is an issue with air movement through the product, a code 11, which is a failure for the burner to ignite, a code 12, which is a failure to maintain flame after ignition, and code 15s, 17s, and 52s could require Venturi inspection as well. Also, any debris in the fan could cause excessive noise. Now, this procedure is the same for all Sensei RU, CU, and RSC models. So we need to remove the cover, isolate the unit from gas, and also remove power. So we need to remove the connections for the igniter electrode, the flame rod, and be careful of any locking mechanisms, the combustion fan connection, the exhaust thermistor connection, the Venturi connection, and finally the gas valve connection. So we only have 4 screws holding this entire assembly. Now keep up with where each screw goes. We're going to start by removing the screw that connects the inlet tube to the gas valve. Now after we remove this screw, we're going to rotate this clip and move it out of the way. Then we're going to pull straight down on the gas valve tube. Finally, we'll remove these 3 screws that are connecting the combustion fan to the burner cover plate. Now the combustion fan assembly can be carefully removed out of the cabinet. To ensure the fan blades are clean and spinning freely, remove these 4 screws. We can now separate these components, and you can inspect inside the fan and ensure it is turning. To inspect the Venturi, remove these 2 screws to separate the black intake hose. Now ensure the highlighted portion is clean. This is particularly true for code 15s, 17s, and 52s. In fact, code 17s and 52s may require a quick factory reset. Call our tech support for guidance on this. Now finally, we're going to come back to the burner cover plate and we're going to inspect this air check valve. Make sure it's operating properly and ensure you put it back in the proper orientation. Now be sure to put everything back in the order that you removed it and keep up with those screws. And remember, if you need any extra guidance, reach out to our call center. Thank you.